Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to set up domain name in Google Search Console. As you can see on my screen, I have simply searched for Google Search Console on Google, and in the first search result we are getting Google Search Console platform, right? So we are going to open this. Now this is Google Search Console platform. We need to click on start now. As I already have created an account on Google Search Console and have added multiple domains in past, so that's why this is the appearance, right? But in your case might be this would not appear in front of you. You will get another screen. So in the left side toolbar, this is the domain name, right? I'm going to click on this and click on add property. This is the screen which you would be receiving or getting whenever you add domain name for the first time, right? So here it is asking us for the domain name. We need to enter the domain name which we want to set up in Google Search Console, and in the same format as it is written over here, example.com, neither with HTTP, neither with HTTPS or www.com. So we need to enter the domain name as example.com, right? So here I am typing digitalbikaner.com, right? I need to set up this domain. Clicking on continue, it is verifying property. So here it is saying that this domain has been purchased from godaddy.com, and I need to verify the domain name from the domain provider, and it is asking me to authorize Google to access our DNS account, right? So we need to authorize Google. Click on start verification, and it would automatically redirect us on godaddy.com, right? Here we need to sign in our GoDaddy account. So I am using a Google account, so I will click on Google, and here I will select my Gmail ID and I will sign in into GoDaddy account using Gmail ID. Okay, it is asking us to connect this domain to Google Search Console. I will click on connect, and again it will redirect me back to the Google Search Console, and here it is verifying. This may take a minute, right? Because it is like connecting my domain name with Google Search Console via GoDaddy, my domain provider, right? So this is how you can simply set up your domain name on Google Search Console. It is very much easier. Okay, it is taking few seconds. Okay, ownership verified, as it is saying that the domain name has been verified, right? So by the Google Search Console. Now I can simply either click on go to property or I can click on done, right? So here I'm going to click on go to property to see the property on Google Search Console, and as you can see in the left side toolbar, my domain name has been started reflecting. So this is the property of Google Search Console. So in this way you can simply set up your domain name on Google Search Console. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Google Search Console, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Google Search Console. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing course in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.